Right now I want to show you how to add categories and subcategories for your PromptROI white label marketplace. From the dashboard, click Settings. Next, click White Label. Then click Customize. Finally, click on Categories. Click inside the category box. Give your new category a name. Then click the Add Category button. You're allowed 4 main categories that display on the home page of your marketplace. Let's unselect this category so we can add our new category to the top 4. Now click on the plus symbol on the left side of our new category to add it to the top 4. Now click on the category name and a subcategory will be created. Click on the Edit button of the new subcategory. Give your new subcategory a name. Then click Update Subcategory to save it. To add more subcategories, simply click the Edit icon of the main category. Give your new subcategory a name. Click the Update Category button. And if you want to hide the subcategories from this view, you can click on the up-down arrow on the right. You'll notice the arrow now points down and the subcategories are hidden from the view. Click it again to show them. To see what your new category looks like in your white label marketplace, click your icon in the bottom left corner. You can see the new category shows here in the top 4 at the top. That's it. Now you know how to add categories and subcategories so you can organize your prompts in your white label marketplace.